Hello friend, good morning to all of you. Today we are going to discuss about the potential energy. Here gravitational potential energy. In this case, now we take the example here, example 1. Now here this is a block of mass mg and this is a plane ground. The potential energy at this position is 0 and this is a position, this is at height h, mass mg, weight mg here downward, and this block is at the height s2, mass m and weight mg. Now the work done from this, in this case the block comes from these these positions. In this case the work done doing by gravity, but if you throw any body in upward direction, we done work against the force of gravity here. In this case work done by the gravity here, so that work done by mg equal to the potential energy mgh. M means mass of block, G is acceleration due to gravity, and H is height. In this case, this is h1 and this is h2, so that height of this is mg h1 minus h2, so that work done by the weight mg is mg h1 minus h2, and here mg h1 minus mg h2 in this case, so that work done by mg equal to potential energy u1 minus potential energy u2, here potential energy u1 and in this case u2, so that work done can be get by subtracting the work potential energy at this position minus potential energy at this position, so that this can be written as Wmg is equal to minus u2 minus un u2 minus u1. Here in this case work done from this point to this point against the force of gravity, here negative sign, so that work done against the force of gravity here, so that work done against the force of gravity Wmg is equal to minus delta u. Example second, here this is the surface and reference surface. Here potential energy at this time P is mgh, h is 0, so that potential energy is 0 here. In this case we take the here in upward direction, that is positive, and downward direction, that is a negative sign here. Now we apply the coordinate geometry. Here m and distance is h1, so that potential energy at this of this block is mgh1, and in downward that potential energy is minus mg h2 here. In this case now in this case the work done against the force of gravity, and here work done by the gravity, and work done is negative sign of potential energy here in this case. Now example third, here this is block, mass of block is m and move, and at the position A, and the path of this is just like a circular path in this case, so that this distance is r, and also this is parallel to this, so that this distance is also r, and this is a m. Mass of this block is mg, weight of this block is mg, and so that potential energy at this position is potential energy 1 by 2. Potential energy of this is mgh. In this case, m is mass, g is g, and h is height and displacement here. This is the reference frame, and distance height, this is r, so that this is r position. So potential energy at the position A is mgr here. Now in this case, work done by the normal surface, work done at the normal surface is 0. Just we study about in the previous videos here, and work done against the mg, here we have to calculate. In this case, work done against the mg is minus delta u as calculated here, so that delta u, it means that initial potential energy minus final potential energy. This is the initial potential energy here, and ui minus uf, final potential energy. Ui is equal to ua, and final potential energy ub. In this case, ua is equal to mgr minus ub is equal to real potential energy 0, so that potential energy here, work done due to the mg is equal to mgr in this case. Now we take the another example here. Here this is block of mass m at the position A, and distance 20 meter from the frame of reference. Here potential energy is equal to 0. Now this comes at the position B on the ground level, and this path is just like a circular, so that this is a 3 meter, and so that this is also 3 meter. In this case, now we have to calculate the work done AB, work done A to B, and work done AC, work done A to C, and work done C and D. This is calculated to us. Here solution. This is the height of the block mass m, so that this m, this is a position A, so that the potential energy at A is equal to mgh is equal to 20 meter ground reference. Here potential energy is 0, and now this at the position B, the potential energy equal to 0, and this comes at the C. This point potential energy UC equal to mg, and h is equal to 3 meter height, so that UC equal to 3 mg, and at this position D, 3 meter this and 3 meter this, 6 meter, so that mg and h is equal to 6 meter, so that potential energy at D is equal to 6 mg. These are calculated by the ground reference here. Now we have to calculate the work done AB, and work done AB equal to potential energy at A minus potential energy B. Potential energy A is 20 mg minus potential energy B. that is a 0, 20 mg minus 0 is equal to 20 mg. This is first answer. Now we have to calculate the potential energy AC here, A to C here in this case, UA minus UC, and UA is equal to 20 mg and UC is equal to here 3 mg, so that 17 mg. Now the work done CD is calculate work done C and D. This is work done C and D. It means that here work done against the force of gravity, so that this is negative. Now here the work done C minus work done D. Work done C is equal to 3 mg minus work done D is 6 mg. So that this is minus 3 mg. Here this is positive, this is positive. In this case work done by the force of gravity, but in this case work done against the force of gravity in downward to place the block downward to upward direction here. Now we take another example here. Here, potential energy of a rod. Here, this is a rod of length L, and mass of the rod equal to m. Now we take a small strip of the rod dx, and that mass is dm. dx and dm is the very small quantity. Now here dm mass is equal to mass of the rod is m and length is L, so that mass per unit length m by L and m by L, so that mass of this strip is mass per unit length m by L into length dx, so that the mass of this strip is m by L dx. And now we know that potential energy of this strip here du is mgh. M means dm, g and x is length from this frame of reference here. At the x distance we take the strip dx, so that in this case apply the integration method. Integration of du and total potential energy is equal to m by L dx into gx. Here dx, dm, putting the value of dm m by L dx, m by L dx, and gx, limit from 0 to L. Now m, L and g is the constant, so that these terms comes here, and limit 0 to L x dx. Here integration of this is x के power n is equal to x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1, so that x square by 2 integration of this mg by L and limit 0 to L, so that mg by L and this is L square by 2, 1 L cancel, mg L by 2, mg L by 2. This is the potential energy here. Now see another example, potential energy of a chain. Here this is a rod, but this is a chain and attached to each other. Let us suppose that mass of chain is m and length of this is L. Now we take the in middle center of mass, that is here. This distance is L by 2 here, so that potential energy is equal to mg and H is L by 2. We take the mass, we take the center of mass from the reference point, so that potential energy is equal to mg L by 2. Now, example second here, let us suppose that the mass of the chain is m and total length is equal to L, so that here in this case this is L by 2 and this is also L by 2, so that potential energy of this is U1 is equal to mass, and mass is total mass m, so that mass of this is m by 2 g mg, and this is the height L by 2 from the reference point, so that mg L by 4. Potential energy of this, now potential energy of this is U2, that is mass is also m by 2 g, and we take in this case center of mass here, we take this case center of mass here, so that this is distance L by 2, so that L by 4, so m by 2 g L by 4 and mg L by 8, so that total potential energy U1 plus U2 mg L by 4 and plus mg L by 8, this is 3 mg L by 8, this is our answer. Now we take here, one table is here and another table is here, and chain put here in this case, and this chain in downward and it fall on the ground due to force of gravity. In this case we have to calculate the one work done by the mg. Now the potential energy of this, let us suppose that length of this chain is L and mass is m, so that potential energy is mg and length L, this is L distance mg L. Now this chain fall on the ground here in this case, so that the potential energy is equal to m mass total mass here g, or this is we take in this case center of mass here L by 2, so that mg L by 2. So work done by the mg is U1 minus U2. Total energy, this energy minus this energy is mg L minus mg L by 2, so that this is mg L by 2. This is our answer. Like, subscribe and share my videos. Thank you.